Okay, let's dive in. We've got some fascinating notes here you send over. Notes on gardening, part 565. Details a really interesting find right in someone's backyard. Well, on their balcony, actually.
Yeah, a very specific observation.
Right, and our mission basically is to unpack this one observation, see what it tells us about, well, a natural phenomenon and the conditions it needs.
Mm-hmm. And the subject is maybe a bit surprising. It involves fungi.
Specifically, yeah, a particular type of mushroom. Pretty cool stuff.
It really is. What's fascinating, I think, is how this tiny, controlled space, the balcony, could be so different from the wider environment.
Yeah, and what that difference allows to, thrive.
The notes mention sporadic rains that week, making things generally cooler.
So cool and a bit damp overall. That was the picture.
That was the general weather, yeah. But, and this is crucial, the author kept up an almost daily watering routine.
Ah, okay. Because potting mix, right,
Yeah.
dries out fast.
Exactly. So even if the rain was hit or miss, that specific soil surface, it was kept consistently wet, very wet.
Right, on purpose, not just relying on the weather.
Precisely. And it seems that specific microclimate, the consistently highly wet one on the balcony, that's the key.
Okay.
Because it's right there, distinct from the general conditions, that the author saw the largest Mycena Haematopus I've encountered to date.
Wow, the largest ever that they'd seen. That definitely makes you stop and think.
It does.
For people maybe not familiar, Mycena haematopus, that's the bleeding mycena, isn't it?
That's the one. Called that because if you, break the stem, it can ooze this reddish liquid. Kind of neat.
Yeah. But besides that, the main thing about them is they don't stick around long, correct?
Very short-lived.
Oh, absolutely. The source is clear, short lifespan. We're talking, the whole cycle, popping up, releasing spores, decaying. It happens fast.
How fast are we talking?
Within days or a couple weeks. That's
And,
it. They appear, do their thing, and they're gone.
Okay, so you've got this, perfect storm or maybe perfect damp patch. Huh? Yeah, perfect damp patch is good. Created by the owner watering diligently, basically overriding the broader weather pattern.
Right. And this super specific microclimate on the balcony floor, it gives exactly what this fungus, the Mycena haematopus, needs
Not just a fruit, but apparently to get exceptionally big for its type.
before completing its entire really rapid life cycle.
Exactly. From emergence to decay, maybe 2 weeks max. And the author just watched.
Let it happen. Observed this incredibly fast little natural drama unfold.
Yeah, in miniature.
So if we pull back a bit, what does this tell us? I mean, it really underlines how critical moisture is for many fungi to fruit, right?
Absolutely. And how even these small sort of human-managed spaces can accidentally create the perfect conditions.
And this is for something quite remarkable, even if it's fleeting.
The combination of that potting mix needing lots of water, plus maybe the shelter of the balcony.
It all worked together to keep that high moisture level right where the fungus needed it.
Exactly. Persistent moisture.
So this does raise a question, doesn't it? What other kinds of super specific, really brief, natural wonders might be happening?
In those little corners we don't really pay attention to.
Right under our noses, maybe even because of something we did, like watering plants.
Yeah, triggered by some unique mix of factors we accidentally created.
So what's the takeaway here? What does it all mean?
Well, perhaps it's just a reminder to look a bit closer sometimes.
And the unexpected life that can thrive even in places we manage, like a balcony garden.
Yeah. The specific conditions we set up, even in a tiny area, can have this disproportionately big effect on what shows up.
And how impressive it might be when it does show up.
Even if it's only there for, a week or two before vanishing again.
Right, it's like a whole hidden world playing out really fast right there in a flower pot.
Exactly. Something to think about next time you're watering the plants, maybe.